Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma to welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahan na rin yung tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video nito, another reaction video naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito kay Miss Supranational Philippines 2025 para Valencia Supra Chat Introduction. And sobrang excited na ako guys na mapanood to kaya tara, play na natin 'to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. So, eto na guys.
Mabuhay, Tara from Philippines. Thanks for joining us today. Thank you for your
Ganda ni
time
Tara, no?
and welcome to Super Chats. Could you please briefly introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, Mabuhay. I am Tara Valencia, representing the 7,641 islands of the Philippines. The Philippines is well known of its beautiful beaches, but the city that I
Ooh,
live in, it's dubbed as the summer capital of the Philippines, and it is nestled in the mountains. So just like in Poland,
Baguio.
it really gets quite chilly from where I live. I graduated with a degree in tourism that specializes in international tourism. And this is because I do have a growing passion when it comes to the tourism industry, not just here in the
Ooh,
Philippines, but all around the world. Which is why I'm really excited to work for with the supranational organization because we
wow.
have the
Mic
same
drop.
passion and vision to transcend borders as we promote not just the tourism industry, but also culture, heritage, and diversity as a whole.
Great to meet you, Tara, and welcome to the Super family.
Eh,
Thank you,
ginalingan ni
Ivan.
Miss Tara Valencia. Grabe, no? Sobrang ginalingan. And sana makuha natin yung second crown para sa Miss Supranational 2025. I-manifest natin. Alright, kung sa inyo to guys, bigyan to malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na bigyan pwede comment dito sa akin channel. Bye po!